Over the years, I've conjured up many a box for many a reason. Everything from a box that holds TV remotes to a box that housed the ashes of a fallen feline friend like Crookshanks or Mrs. Norris. And today's build is no exception. For items, magic and non-magic alike need a place to be stored when not in use, like an opal necklace, a diary, or even a Horcrux. So brush up on your parcel tongue and join me on a journey to the restricted section as we make a box fit for the shelves of Borgin and Burke's. Because my name's Danny, and I make boxes. Now one might think this is one of the dorkier things that I've done to date. But if there's one thing that I've learned from Neville Longbottom, it's that what seems dorky today just might grow up to be the de facto leader of Dumbledore's army, single-handedly take out Nagini, and become a respected herbology professor in the most prestigious school for witchcraft and wizardry this side of the Mississippi. So if that's what you consider dorky, then I'll just swish and flick you the finger and bid you good day, because there's absolutely nothing dorky about what's going on here. Back to the build, I had some Whomping Willow left over and I decided to build a box for a wand. Again, not dorky. There is no sorcery involved in this part of the build, just the magic of box making. The true cornerstone of woodworking. Master it, and the world of woodworking reveals itself to you like the room of requirement. Anyway, I cut the top and bottom out of some 1/4-inch panel and some grooves and rabbets for them to sit in. And when I say rabbit, I'm not talking about Luna Lovegood's Patronus. No, a rabbit's just a place for the lid to rest, and you don't need happy thoughts to make one. Before I glue this up, I need to cut some legs. So I accio my trusty scroll saw and I deal with it swiftly enough. When this box is glued up, it will have 4 legs, but when I cut it up like this, there are 8 potential points of screw-up. That's as many screw-up points as Aragog has legs. But I just pretend like I'm caught in some devil's snare, take a deep breath and relax, and I'm ready to move on. Before I know it, I've got a box sturdy enough to store a boggart, or at the very least, some Cornish pixies. And there's only one thing left to do. Right now, this box is simple and rustic. It looks like something you might find at the Shrieking Shack, and I want it to look graceful and elegant, like something you might find at the Beauxbatons Academy of Magic. So let's pour some beautification potion on this thing and hope it turns out prettier than Gilderoy Lockhart. Still not dorky.